Zinzile was shaken by Gloria's accusations of Ntlamola, but luckily Lindiwe was able to convince her that everything is good and that the money is growing and Ntlamola is doing his best to double it the best way possible. I think, yeah, the accusations really hit home for her because firstly she took the money without letting the ladies know, and secondly, if anything were to happen, it's all gonna come back to her and she's gonna be the one that has to replace the money. So I understand where the frustration was coming from, and the frustration from Olindiwe, of course. Moving on to Umamba and Bonisa. Bonisa has a good hairstyle, she looks good, but the moral of the story here is the fact that it seems like her plan to get Lokshan Queen to speak up worked, but Umamba was still not convinced because he mentioned how Lokshan Queen is shy compared to the person who is tweeting behind the keyboard. So I could tell that he was onto something there, but Bonisa quickly shut it down, as good as she is, and she also tried putting a word for Osimo, by letting Umamba know that, it's time for him to forgive Osimo, obviously. And Umamba definitely wasn't having it. Apparently, Osimo has to work his A off in order for Umamba to forgive him, and that's definitely going to take time. And the Stockville ladies had a meeting waiting on Olindiwe. She looked frustrated coming in because she didn't really know how to break the news to them. Sorry, about the fact that Ntlamola cannot be found. But while she was talking to them, a message came in, and it was Ntlamola reassuring her that the money is in the account, it's doubled, and they are back on track. The ladies were so happy, and all their worries just went away. You could tell that it was a huge relief, and everyone was happy, although Lindia was a bit shaken still after that because he didn't really think Ntlamola was going to pull through. And here is Gloria gloating about how good Ntlamola is at what he does, but Ukhosi is still standing behind his story and still calling Ntlamola a scammer and a con artist and someone that is busy doing illegal things to get that money. For him, he wasn't sold because he knows him very well, but who's gonna believe Ukhosi at this point? Because at the end of the day, he's got one side of the story, and Ntlamola seems to be doing the total opposite of what he's been telling people and basically doing the good. So hey, it's hectic. And here are the two lovebirds reunited again. While Olindia was talking to Ntlamola about where he's been, he made this whole story up about the fact that his dad was sick and his phone. Did he say dad? Yeah, his dad was sick and his phone didn't have e-battery because there was no electricity. I mean, I'm thinking to myself, this guy is so good. He thinks so quick on his feet and he's got answers to everything. So that's why it's hard for Lindiwe, to believe all the rumors that have been swirling around, and all Zinzila also called and asked him to help her double her profits, and this time she's not going to use the stockpile money, though she's going to use her personal money. And I personally think this is a big no and it's a big red flag. I don't see this happening. I see her losing all of her money, but at the end of the day, it's her money, it's not the money from the ladies, so she's gonna have to deal with it. And then moving on to Osimo was out here threatening Obonisa about the fact that he's waiting to get back into Mamba's books, and it seems like Obonisa is not pushing enough. And yeah, I mean, he's really adamant to take out the truth, or to tell Umamba the truth if Obonisa doesn't give him what he wants, which is really, becoming a mess at this point. And then we're moving on to Ubonisa and Mamba and Uduma. Now Uduma had this interview with Hlengiwe. Hlengiwe is really good at what she does, hey. But the only downer that I feel happened here is the fact that Uduma was high. Firstly, he didn't look like he was in a good state of mind, and secondly, he was really going on and mumbling a lot. And Ogabachev came up with an idea that Umamba needs to make peace with Uduma, for his own good, for his own image, and for the public to see that he really does have a forgiving heart, which is not true. But at this point, if he wants to win the campaign, he needs to put on this front and show people what they basically want to see. And he seemed like he was all for it. And it seems like this coming week we're gonna see Uduma moving on up into a member's mansion and being taken in as the son again. I wonder what's gonna happen, and I definitely wonder where that's gonna leave Opoloko. But anyway, we'll have to watch and see. Please do subscribe, comment, and like this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Mwah.